A controversial border bill signed into law on Monday by Governor Greg Abbott is already facing the first of what is expected to be a host of legal challenges.
Senate Bill 4 authorizes both state and local police to arrest anyone suspected of being in Texas illegally. It also gives judges the power to return them to Mexico. Now, the law is scheduled to take effect in March, but at least one lawsuit has already been filed, and there are threats of more to come. On Monday, Governor Greg Abbott made illegal entry from a foreign nation a state crime, a Class B misdemeanor punishable by up to 6 months in jail. He also granted state judges the right to issue deportation orders against suspected violators of the law. Reaction was swift.
We're suing to block one of the most extreme anti-immigrant bills in the country, SB 4. The bill overrides bedrock constitutional principles and flouts federal immigration law while harming Texans, in particular, brown and black communities.
The American Civil Liberties Union joined the Texas Civil Rights Project in filing that lawsuit today, saying SB 4 should not be implemented because only the federal government has the authority to enforce immigration laws. I spoke with immigration attorney Hector Quiroga about the new law.
There are questions here, but I'm not sure that deputizing with immigration powers the entire state troopers and state patrol is really the answer, because it's actually going to lead to more issues. They're going to detain more people. We're going to jail more people.
San Patricio County Sheriff Oscar Rivera tells me that this gives his department another tool to use in battling illegal immigration. When asked whether there were any concerns that this could lead to jail overcrowding, he had this to say.
We're overcrowded now as it is. Misdemeanors has been a problem with us. We actually have people housed in other jails because we have capacity.
Sheriff Rivera says most cases of immigration violations are discovered through routine traffic stops, and they have no plans to go door to door looking for those who may be here illegally. Now, keep in mind that if this law stands, it won't take effect until March 5th of next year. I asked Nueces County Sheriff John Hooper about it, and he said that he wants to take more time to study the new law. Meanwhile, repeat offenders could also face up to 20 years in prison if they're found guilty of illegally immigrating. Governor Abbott blasted the president, saying Texas needs to defend itself from drug cartels, accusing President Biden of deliberate inaction. Migrant crossings are at historically high levels, where just yesterday, more than 12,600 migrant encounters by Customs and Border Protection were reported.